Imagine waking up to the gentle clucking of hens as the sun rises over your backyard. The aroma of fresh eggs sizzling in the pan fills your kitchen, and you take pride in knowing exactly where your food comes from. This idyllic scene is not just a dream, it's the reality of free-range chicken farming, a practice that harmoniously blends ethics and sustainability. Welcome to Green Profit Cultivate, the ultimate destination for sustainable farming. Our mission is to help farmers like you raise healthier flocks while maximizing productivity in an eco-friendly way. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Let's get started. Free-range chicken farming allows chickens to roam freely outdoors, engaging in natural behaviors like foraging, scratching, and dust bathing. This contrasts sharply with conventional factory farming, where chickens are often confined to cramped spaces with limited mobility. Free-range chicken farming offers significant ethical advantages by prioritizing animal welfare and promoting a natural diet, both of which contribute to healthier and happier birds. Unlike caged or confined poultry systems, free-range farming provides chickens with ample space to move, stretch their wings, and engage in instinctive behaviors like dust bathing, scratching, and perching. Access to fresh air and natural sunlight strengthens their immune systems, reduces stress, and minimizes the risk of disease outbreaks common in overcrowded environments. Additionally, allowing chickens to forage naturally enhances their diet, as they consume a diverse range of insects, seeds, grasses, and other plant materials that improve their overall health. Studies show that free-range eggs contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A and E, and antioxidants compared to eggs from confined systems, while their meat tends to be leaner, richer in nutrients, and more flavorful. This approach not only improves the quality of poultry products but also aligns with ethical farming practices, ensuring that chickens live in humane conditions while contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally responsible food system. By prioritizing animal well-being and natural feeding, free-range farming creates a win-win situation for farmers, consumers, and the animals themselves. Free-range chicken farming offers significant sustainable benefits by positively impacting the environment and enhancing resource efficiency. One of the key advantages is its environmental impact, as free-range systems often incorporate rotational grazing, a method that allows chickens to move across different sections of land. This practice prevents overgrazing, enhances soil fertility, and promotes natural composting as chicken manure enriches the soil with essential nutrients, reducing the reliance on chemical fertilizers. Additionally, free-ranging birds play a role in pest control, consuming insects and weeds, which helps maintain ecological balance and minimizes the need for synthetic pesticides. Another major sustainability factor is resource efficiency, as allowing chickens to forage naturally lowers feed costs by supplementing their diet with insects, seeds, and plants. This not only enhances the nutritional quality of their eggs and meat but also reduces the environmental footprint associated with large-scale feed production, such as deforestation and carbon emissions from grain cultivation. Furthermore, integrating chickens into diversified farming systems, such as agroforestry and permaculture, creates a self-sustaining ecosystem where poultry waste fertilizes crops, and in return, crops provide additional food sources for the chickens. By adopting these sustainable free-range practices, farmers can enhance long-term productivity, reduce operational costs, and contribute to a more environmentally responsible food system. Transitioning to free-range chicken farming requires careful planning to ensure the health, safety, and productivity of the flock while maintaining a sustainable system. One of the most critical factors is space allocation, as chickens need ample outdoor areas to roam, forage, and engage in natural behaviors like scratching and dust bathing. Providing at least 10 square feet per bird in outdoor space minimizes overcrowding, reduces stress, and helps maintain healthy soil and vegetation. Equally important is secure shelter, which protects chickens from harsh weather, predators, and potential diseases. A well-ventilated, predator-proof coop with adequate nesting boxes and roosting areas ensures the birds have a safe retreat at night while promoting optimal laying conditions. Additionally, diet management plays a crucial role in maintaining flock health. while free-range chickens obtain nutrients from foraging, supplementing their diet with a balanced feed rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals is essential to meet their dietary needs, particularly during seasons when natural food sources are scarce. Providing clean water, grit for digestion, and occasional nutritional supplements further enhances their health and productivity. By carefully planning and integrating these elements, farmers can establish a thriving free-range system that maximizes both ethical and sustainable poultry farming practices. To delve deeper into creating a sustainable and ethical free-range chicken farm, consider downloading our comprehensive ebook, A Comprehensive Guide to Sustainable Backyard Chicken Farming. This resource offers step-by-step instructions, expert tips, and practical advice to help you succeed. Click the link in the description to get your copy today. Embarking on a free-range chicken farming journey is both rewarding and impactful. We'd love to hear about your experiences, challenges, and successes. Share your stories in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the link in the first comment to watch other videos related to this topic. You won't want to miss them. By choosing free-range practices, you're not only enhancing the quality of your food but also contributing to a more ethical and sustainable world. Happy free-range chicken farming!